Meaning of handling.
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 Handling. The term handling generally refers to the way in which something is managed or dealt with. It can refer to the process of managing a situation, task or object in an effective and appropriate manner, often involving careful consideration, planning and execution. Good handling can result in successful outcomes, while poor handling can lead to negative consequences such as mistakes, errors and inefficiencies. Effective handling also typically involves communication, collaboration and adaptability, as well as the ability to respond to challenges or unexpected situations in a flexible and proactive way.